Dear Mrs. Sibayan, una po sa lahat, gusto ko pong ipaalam sa lahat ng dumalo na ang babaeng nakikita nyo sa harapan ko ay siyang hiniling ko sa Diyos na kanyang ibinigay.
Mahal ko, it was exactly 5 years ago today when I said to become your girlfriend. I knew quite early you would be the one. The first time I saw you at the airport, my world slowed down and my heart whispered, he's the one.
Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo na kailangan pang magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang ang iniibig at kung di kumbinsido'y magtiwala ka. Hawakan ang puso't maniwala na ikaw lang ang siyang inibig. Ikaw lang ang iibig.
Every time they ask me, ano nga bang nagustuhan mo kay Manuel? I always answer, simply, nagustuhan ko ang puso niya. Ang puso niyang punong-puno ng pagmamahal at pagbibigay. Never nagdamot sa iba at never sumuko sa pagmamahal sa akin.
Naalala ko dati, sabi mo ayaw mo sa kagaya ko na sundalo kasi pare-parehas lang lahat ng sundalo na manluloko, babaero, hindi makontento sa isa.
Our relationship was never easy. We had so much ups and downs. Pero nandito tayong dalawa, nakaharap sa altar sa harap ng Diyos na naging sentro at nagpatibay ng ating pagmamahalan. I know I've not been the best girlfriend for you, but starting this day, I promise to become the best wife you'll ever meet.
Magtiwala ka, hawakan ang puso't maniwala na ikaw lang ang siyang inibig. Ikaw lang ang iibigin. Sinta.
In the presence of friends, family, and God, I will love you completely. Today, I say I do, but to me that means I will. I will take your hand and be there for you when you need me, and also to be there for you when you don't need me.
Sa paglisan ng araw, akala ko mahal.
Kaya nandito ako sa harap mo at sa harap ng altar, makikipag-isang dibdib sa'yo sa hirap o ginhawa, sa lakas o kahinaan, hanggang sa pagtanda at pagtaba. Hindi kita pababayaan at iiwan kahit tuyuin ka.
I pledge to honor you, to protect you, love you, and cherish you as my husband today and every day. To put you first aside from God always. Through all the uncertainties and trials of life, I promise to be faithful to you, so that together we may grow in the likeness of Christ.
Ikaw lang ang iniibig. Kung di kumbinsido'y magtiwala ka.
I love you, and I know this love is from God. For as long as we both shall live, I will be by your side, for better or for worse, in sickness and health, for richer or poorer. I love you always and in all ways, my soldier, my lover, my best friend, and above all, my husband.
At nabubuhay ako. Hindi kita pababayaan. Mahal na mahal kita, asawa ko.
Ngayon po ay gagawin namin